I built this custom gaming PC 4 years ago back in 2020 and have been constantly upgrading it to make it even better. Today I want to take you on a deep dive into my entire build. We'll look at the original specs from 2020, all the upgrades I've made to it over the years, and where the build stands at currently in 2024. Plus I'll be sharing my exciting plans for future enhancements, so sit back and grab your popcorn because we are starting right now. Back in 2020, around the holidays, late November or early December to be precise, I decided I was done with console gaming and I wanted a gaming PC. At first I was torn between buying a pre-built system or building a custom one from scratch. Honestly, the idea of building my own PC from scratch was intimidating because I had no idea what I was doing. So like anyone else in my situation, I turned to YouTube and started binge watching countless videos comparing pre-built and custom built gaming PCs. It didn't take me long for me to decide I wanted to go the custom route, because custom gaming PCs not only looked way cooler in my opinion, but it also gave me the satisfaction of saying I built it myself, not bought it. So now I started binge watching all the PC building guides on YouTube. That's when I realized building a gaming PC is actually super easy to do. Alright, let's dive into the original specs of my 2020 gaming PC. Flashing back to when I first built it, I had a budget of around $1,100. For the case, I went with a Thermaltake V200 ATX mid-tower case. Then I picked up an MSI B450 Tomahawk motherboard. For the brain of my PC, I chose an AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, offering great multi-threading performance for gaming and productivity. I opted for 16 gigs of Crucial Ballistics DDR4 RAM to ensure smooth multitasking and gaming. I started with a 1TB Seagate Barracuda hard drive for my bulk storage needs and a Corsair 4 Series MP500 120GB NVMe SSD for a super fast Windows 10 Pro boot drive. For my graphics card, I decided to go with the Zotac Gaming GTX 1660, and mind you, at that point I was only gaming on a 1080p HD TV. To keep everything running smoothly, I installed the Thermaltake 700W 80+ certified power supply. These components form the foundation of my build and have allowed me to enjoy countless hours of gaming and productivity. At that time I was gaming on a 1080p TV, so this build did what I needed it to do. I bought everything off of Amazon because it was all on sale for the holidays. Nowadays I do most of my PC shopping on Newegg. Now let's dive into the upgrades I've made over the past 4 years and my future plans for this gaming PC. The first major upgrade was swapping out the regular Wraith Stealth CPU cooler for a Corsair iCUE H100i Elite Capelex AIO. This gave me significantly better cooling performance and added some eye-catching RGB to my setup. Next, I upgraded my RAM, replacing the original 16GB with 32GB of G.Skill Ripjaws DDR4 RAM. This boosted my system's multitasking capabilities and overall performance, especially for more demanding applications and games. More recently, I added two 120mm fans to my front panel to improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Additionally, I installed a sensor panel which allows me to monitor my PC's temperature in real time and ensure everything is running smoothly. I can confidently tell you that under heavy load my PC runs super cool. The hottest temp I've ever seen is 80 degrees Celsius on my GPU hotspot. Everything else runs about 40 degrees Celsius when gaming. At idle, my PC hovers around 32 degrees Celsius, with the hottest temp being my GPU hotspot at around 50 degrees Celsius. The most recent thing I have done to my PC, well, it's not really a mod to my PC, but I since upgraded my simple 1080p HD TV to now I'm gaming on a 1440p ultra wide HD gaming monitor. Now I know the next thing I need to definitely 100% upgrade is my GPU, because at first my GPU was good on my TV, but now this monitor has exposed my GPU in so many ways. The next big upgrade I'm planning to do to my PC is a massive GPU upgrade, so that way I can get the full gaming experience from my 1440p ultra wide HD gaming monitor. So the GPU I'm planning on getting is an Asus RTX 4070 GPU. I also may need a power supply upgrade to go with it, but I'll see if I need it once I get the GPU. So that's my complete gaming PC build journey from 2020 to now 2024. What do you think think of my setup? Drop your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. I'd love to hear them, and if you have any suggestions for future upgrades, let me know. I'm always on the lookout for new ideas to make this rig even better. If you enjoyed this video, then smash that like button. If you want to stay updated on my custom gaming PC build and catch more awesome PC and tech content, then hit that subscribe button and turn on all post notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.